The Healing Power of Nature, a New Aesthetic, 2024, likely refers to a concept or trend that emphasizes the therapeutic and calming effects of nature on our well-being, particularly in the context of art and design. Here's an explanation of this concept with details. Context. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the restorative benefits of spending time in nature. This awareness has extended to various aspects of life, including art, design, architecture, and even urban planning. People are increasingly seeking ways to incorporate elements of nature into their surroundings to improve mental, emotional, and physical health. The aesthetic. The Healing Power of Nature, a New Aesthetic, suggests a shift in the way we approach design and aesthetics, focusing on the integration of natural elements into our living spaces, work environments, and public places. This aesthetic is not just about creating visually pleasing designs, but also about fostering a deeper connection with nature for holistic well-being. Characteristics of the new aesthetic. Biophilic design. This design approach seeks to connect people with nature through the use of natural materials, textures, colors, and patterns. It incorporates elements such as plants, natural light, water features, and views of nature into indoor spaces. Nature-inspired art. Artists and designers are drawing inspiration from the natural world, creating artworks that reflect the beauty and serenity of nature. Paintings, sculptures, and installations may feature landscapes, flora, fauna, and natural patterns. Natural materials. The use of sustainable and organic materials such as wood, stone, bamboo, and clay is prominent. These materials not only evoke a sense of connection to nature, but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Outdoor living spaces. The trend extends to outdoor areas, with a focus on creating inviting and functional outdoor spaces that encourage relaxation and socialization. This includes gardens, green roofs, rooftop terraces, and outdoor seating areas. Color palette. Colors found in nature, such as earth tones, greens, blues, and neutrals, are prevalent in this aesthetic. These colors are soothing and create a sense of calm and tranquility. Benefits. Stress reduction. Being surrounded by nature-inspired designs can reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Improved well-being. Studies have shown that exposure to nature, even in the form of art and design, can improve mood, increase creativity, and enhance cognitive function. Connection to the environment. The new aesthetic fosters a deeper appreciation and connection to the natural world, encouraging sustainable practices and environmental stewardship. Examples. Wellness centers, spas, yoga studios, and wellness centers often incorporate biophilic design principles, with natural materials, greenery, and calming color schemes.